What's up, guys? Wanted to teach you guys how to do your laundry a little bit more eco-friendly style, right? So this little critter right here, it's not a maraca, it's a laundry ball. So check it out. Inside this bad boy, there's carbon activated ceramic beads, and this is what cleans my clothes, so I don't have to use detergents. A lot of our detergents have got some pretty nasty chemicals getting into our waterways. So all I do is set this bad boy out in the sunlight once a month, and the sunlight reactivates those carbon beads. Got my water going on in here. Drop this bad boy right in the washer, and I've got my Cora Ball right here too. So this Cora Ball, you know, after I've gotten this, I've done some research and I've seen where universities are suggesting that it only takes out 26% of the microfibers from our clothes. However, for 35 bucks, it's 26% better than I was doing before. I had another company reach out to me about something awesome, so I'll let you guys know about that when I hear about them. So now I'm just gonna drop this bad boy in here, shut the door, do my thing. When it's time to get that dryer going though, turn this off for the noise. When it's time to put those clothes in the dryer, check out some wool balls. So I take these bad boys from the sheet, throw it in there with the clothes, and then it cuts my dry time down by probably 40%. It's not too bad. Saves on the electric bill, saves on the environment. Check it out, dudes. Get you some. Cool.